Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do tutorial videos. I do hair and I do edits, just different kinds of tutorial videos. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just rush right into this video. The video is about uploading your thumbnail. As you could tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the easiest method to upload your custom thumbnail. The app we're going to be using is YouTube Studio, so make sure you have it downloaded, and let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you should do after you've downloaded the app is open up the app. So this is YouTube Studio and I'm just going to open it up. Okay, so this is the video I just posted now. So I'm about to add my thumbnail, so I'm like, yeah, it is just perfect, let me just film as I do it. So I'm just going to hit on the video. I'm just going to click on this pencil like thing. So you see edit thumbnail, so you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on custom thumbnail. So I'm just going to go to my photos and then click on this last one, how to add end screen and icon. This is the video that I just uploaded, so I'm going to hit on save. And that is it. This is just how to add a thumbnail to your video. So let's go back to YouTube and see how this looks like. It is right there as my thumbnail. That's just like the simplest way to add a YouTube thumbnail. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment down whatever you want my next video to be. Love you all, and thank you for watching to the end. If you got to this part of my video, I appreciate every single person that watches my video to the very end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned how to upload your thumbnail. I really hope you did that. I really hope you learned that.